Today, my wellbeing tip is to take time to process what is going on in here. Often, we get so task-focused that we plough on with our day, giving little thought or attention to what's really going on. And if feelings pop up, we can ignore them because we think we just don't have time. But ignoring them doesn't make them go away, and that feeling remains. So stop, pause, and take time to process. What is really going on? Imagine your thoughts and feelings are like a ball of threads all rolled up. Take time to unravel and separate them. Understand and acknowledge each one. Honour yourself by being aware of what you are feeling and why. Process.